just out here. Well, we're money. We'll elbow drop the door and stay. Oh, it's a mic.
Oh.
Well, here we are, far northern Sweden at Polaris Riders. We made it to the Arctic Circle, man. It's pretty cool. I mean, this is the farthest north I've ever been. I'm assuming for you too. So pretty sick. Being able to ride in Chile like 10 years ago, way south, and then to be here is pretty wild, man. This is cool. I mean, we've been traveling for what, like 4 days now, realistically, with a lot of stops along the way. So to finally be here is gonna be really cool. We finally found some snow. It was looking kind of bleak.
Way more promising now.
Yeah.
There's at least snow piles. There's some mountains in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool to be here and see their homeland. And then tomorrow, obviously, we're going to see their riding. I've followed a lot of Swedish riders for a long time and always been a big fan of their style. Kind of just meat hucks and hanging on. So to be here and to ride with them in their backyard is so exciting.
Absolutely. And since I am older, I will be the host all week.
The host with the most.
Hostess with the mostest. Here we are in Polaris, Sweden. That's not how you say it, but.
There's kind of a lot of unknowns here.
Yeah.
Never really know what's gonna happen. Like, I have these things I want to do in my own head, but because there's such a set schedule, those generally don't happen. So trying to be flexible, but also do something cool.
Oh, it needs to be in here.
Caleb, we've hardly been here and you have a bent arm.
Well, if you look around, you might see a rock. There's more rocks than Montana. I misjudged the depth of the snow on a line and smack right into a rock. Went over the bars.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. At least you put some style into it.
In the front and then two in the back.
Who wants front?
Ooh, I do.
Okay.
Hit the front.
Going now?
Yep.
On the right side?
No, that's my side.
This
Then
side.
I won't follow them.
Oh my God. Nope. Get in on the other side, Caleb, where the door's shut. This surprisingly going on a helicopter ride. Email said we're going to do a dealer visit. He's like, no, we're going to take a different van, different taxi. And here we are, dude. What a surprise. Super sick. Yeah, I'm already done. Isn't it crazy how they can just take off and just go like this?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good job, man. That was super smooth.
That was wild. Yeah, so that was my first time ever in a helicopter, and I just got taken from one Polaris dealership, well actually the location we're riding at, to a Polaris dealership here in Sweden. What an experience. I'm so pumped on it.
High protein Caleb.
So there's a waterfall maybe a quarter mile from where we're parked right now. There's a 270 hit another quarter mile in, and then I started shoveling this jump over a rock knuckle that should be pretty decent if I can get it shoveled right.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
Should be a good day, and we have way more sun today, so that's kind of got me motivated and fired up.
What have you done this trip?
Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Snow's hard, and I haven't jumped in a long time. And these guys build big jumps, which is great, and it's cool to watch them, but I'm not doing that. Amping people up to hit jumps. Email number 1, email number 2, email number 3.
Anders.
14
Johan.
19 Johans, and Yoki. Which one's your favorite?
Favorite rider? I don't know. I can't tell who's who when they're out there. They all got the same color snowmobile.
I'm going with Yoki.
And they're all backflipping.
Yoki or Ferdy.
Yeah.
Ferdy or Yoki.
Okay.
They're all great. They're all cool dudes, but I really like those two.
And yeah, we've made some really good friends, lifelong friends. Maybe we think that, and they're just so ready for us to leave. But like this guy right here.
That's probably definitely the case.
Email.
Any sunscreen?
Are you like actually think we're really good friends, or you really want us to leave?
We're family. You f***er.
the smoke, I ain't never growing old.
Sahen,
Yeah, buddy.
Caleb.
Hey! Kind of speechless.
Yeah, man, there's definitely a different breed of riders up here. The stuff they'll just huck and flip 270s off of and backflip and this and that. I mean, the sky's the limit, man. It's really, really cool to see. Really cool to see.
They know how to ride slush, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Seems like in the US, guys kind of just sit around and maybe watch other guys ride, and there's like 1 or 2 guys in the group that'll ride slush.
Yeah.
It's rare that you have like a dozen plus guys just absolutely hucking it. And not only do they know how to have control in the air and like land in the slush, they are really good at doing hopovers, elevators, bow ties, and riding slush, because you have to ride so different to land those maneuvers in the slush.
It was really, really cool to watch these guys and, you know, just build memories with them, and the camaraderie is awesome. It's really cool.
I think that's a wrap, boys.
Yeah.
I do believe. I don't know if I'm gonna use this outro, but just in case, I gotta film it really quickly. Yeah, thanks Sahen, thanks Caleb, thanks Polaris Scandinavia, it was absolutely awesome. The whole crew has been just overwhelmingly welcoming. Open arms, awesome lodging, awesome food, just good people, good times all around, but it's time for us to go back to America.
4 flights and a whole bunch of hours of sitting.